Okay, for today I'm gonna play some more Angry Birds Star Wars. So let's do this. Okay, so we're going to the good guy side, you know, good guys, bad guys, you know. So yeah. Okay. Okay, every bird's dying. Missed. Okay, let's get that gear there. Oh, poop! There we go. Okay, that did not help. That was useless. What happens if we do this? Pushy keepers go. There we go. All we need to do is this. There we go. Done. I'm done. I'm awesome. I'm awesome at this game. Okay. Yep, it's over. Yeah, that is not over. I thought there was more piggies. If there was, I would kill it. Okay, okay, I'll take care of this guy. Okay, let's do this. Okay, it's just easy. Okay, that's a bad one. Wait, push up and okay, let's do this. Okay. Wait, why is there two suns in the background? You know, finger birds and okay, at least we tried. That one killed everyone. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, man, come on. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Boy. Get it? Oh man. Here, let's try you. And Pickles are bad piggies. Bad piggies. Oh, that hurt. Okay. That hurt that bird's head. Oh, that poor birdie. Look at him. He's getting squished. Oh, never mind. He's not getting squished no more. It's over. Finally over. Yay. Let's continue. Okay. Okay. Oh, back at the other guy. Okay. Slice. Okay, epic fail. This one, slice. Okay, that was supposed to happen. I'm so weak. That birdie's so weak. There. And boom. Go. Now, easy part, kinda. And done. I'm done. Alright, it's over. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh! That was weird. Okay. Let's continue back to this. Okay, everyone forget about that. Censored that stuff. Not for your age. Okay, as you hear, continue, level 16. I like that little sound. He's gonna okay, you know. Oh, not again. Please no. So all that stuff. Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But you know, it's Christmas and stuff. It's gonna be Christmas tomorrow. So I'm not gonna do these other Angry Birds ones. I'm just gonna do like this. That's awesome. Okay, maybe I'll do like this one. But I mostly want to do this one, so I'll do this one next time. Like if I finish this one, then I can like do that one. Cause you know this Angry Bird game is like too much level. I can't do this like one day or like one year. I mean. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm me playing Angry Bird Star Wars, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And Merry Christmas.